Hi everybody, welcome back. Hello everybody, welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Here we have the PPE heavy duty deep capacity cast aluminum engine oil pan. So why do you want this? Well, number one, you can't get an OEM one right now. This is for a 2020 plus, and then we also have a 17 and 19. You can find them on our website, blessedperformance.com. What's really cool about these, they are a deep capacity, so you increase it. I want to say it's 2 quarts, 1 or 2 quarts right in there. Most of these oil pans do that. These are in stock and ready to ship. They're a brand new oil pan. These are prone to leak on the L5Ps. These come with a complete new installation kit. Of course, somebody's outside doing truck things. It comes with a new drain plug. We can get these in the raw version right here, all black, or a brushed version, which the brushed version will be black and milled, so like the higher fins would be this color, and then it'd be black in there, okay? So when you're working on your L5P and you see that you have the classic oil leak that they all have, and you're looking, well, what should I do to upgrade it? I suggest you reach out to us and get one of these oil pans on the way to you. We have them in stock for the 17 all the way to the newer ones. The 17 and 19 is one part number, 20 plus is another part number. Comes with a kit. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Not very hard to change. And if you have a leak, why not upgrade? Get a deeper capacity. More oil is never a bad thing. Well, can't say that because it depends on the situation. In this situation, more oil is a good thing. When you can increase the capacity of the oil pan of your diesel pickup truck, you're just going to extend the life and the reliability of your diesel pickup truck as well. So give us a call, 1-800-577-2698. Let's get one of these bad boys on the way. Let's get you installing a new oil pan so that way you can keep it cooler, keep that oil cooler while you're driving down the highway towing that camper. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day.